everyone out there. You can be listening through your phone or in the back seat of your parents' car. If you are, do not listen. This is for less talented chefs out there. So let me drop you into a montage of how to cook some delicious competition chicken.
So like they said in the intro, we are going to be cooking competition chicken. First, we take the thigh, then we cut off the leg. The reason why is because it can make a perfect meal. The second one, peel off the excess fat to make sure you don't have too much of it. And also make sure you don't rip it. After that, make the thigh into the best square you possibly can. So you can have the best variety of flavor. To add a tip, make sure you have toothpicks so you can put back the extra excess skin that you don't need. So you can put more excess skin so that it actually has a better flavor. Because they'll have less excess skin, so it has the perfect amount of fat. So then you want to, when you start cooking it, you want to remove the toothpicks and put it on skewers so you can keep it back on, and also so it doesn't catch on fire. After cooking, you could put any sauces on it, and that is my lesson on how to make competition chicken for any of your family or make any for competitions. Next time, we will learn how to bake chewy chocolate oatmeal cookies. See you next time.